current consumption test 126 milliamps, masyadong mataas. Dapat nasa 40 milliamps pababa lang or 30 milliamps pababa. So I remove the fuse one by one to know where is the problem. Maybe one of the component is the problem. I remove it one by one, and I remove this fuse 15 amperes. Later I will check what component is this connection. See, I will remove this 15 amperes fuse, and then it goes down, meaning this is the problem. This fuse, there's one component that is connected with the fuse. Dito kasi nanggagaling yung supply ng component na may problema, so kailangan natin hanapin sa wiring diagrams. Is ba?